Hey, I'm Veronica from Blinq, and I'm going to walk you through how to use and share your Blinq digital business card. Blinq is built for iOS and Android, and it's designed to be with you in every and any networking moment. Let me show you how to get the most out of it. There are a few different ways to share your Blinq card. Let's start with the QR code. Every person on Blinq has a unique QR code and a unique URL attached to them. Whoever you're meeting scans your code and your details land directly in their phone. Your headshot, contact details, socials, links, everything you've put on your card saves straight to their phone. So next time they're searching their contact, trying to place where they met you, they have your face next to your name, adding a degree of familiarity. And the people that you meet don't need the Blinq app to receive your details. When someone saves your card to their device, a form pops up on their screen. This is Blinq's version of them handing their card or details back to you. They can fill in their name, phone number, and email, and just like that, you've got their details too. Then Blinq's AI enrichment works in the background to find everything that they left out. A headshot, LinkedIn profile, company website, and more, all added to their contact profile in your Blinq app. Beyond the QR code, there's a few more ways to share your information, all from within your phone. Your unique URL, your QR code, a widget on your home screen or lock screen, your Apple Watch, or a card sitting in your Apple or Google Wallet ready to pull up in seconds. And if your team has invested in Blinq's NFC cards, here's how they work. One tap to any phone and your digital card opens instantly. Nothing to scan, nothing to type. One more thing on sharing, offline mode. If you're in a venue or a basement or anywhere with low connectivity, Blinq recognizes it automatically and keeps your card working. You can also flip it to offline mode manually. Once you're back online, everything that you've done and everyone that you met gets updated, enriched, and synced to your company's backend portal or CRM. Now let me give you a few tips on getting even more out of Blinq once you're set up. This is where Blinq can add a ton of value while you're out networking. Once you've connected with someone, a note field will pop up to write down anything that you want to remember. Type a note, use talk to text, or add tags to organize your contacts. What you discussed, what they're looking for, when to follow up. Best part is that not only do these live on the contact profile in your Blinq app, but they also sync to your company's backend portal or your company's CRM. Using these notes and contextual information set you up for the perfect personalized follow-up. Next up, Blinq's AI Notetaker. There are two ways to use it. Ask for permission, hit record, and Blinq generates an AI summary with next steps automatically attached to that contact. Or record a quick voice memo to yourself right after you've met someone while it's all still fresh and attach it from there. Either way, you've got all that valuable contextual information summarized for you to nail the perfect follow-up. Share, connect, follow up. Blinq's with you in every networking moment.